how you got
I injured my hand getting that water out of this machine at Costco. Chicken.
Did you want to tell the viewers about?
Oh, this is actually some people are buying this? I thought it was just for like a decoration in the store.
Did you want me to address this topic for your channel? Why? I can address it. Do you know how people have like life hacks? It'll be a life hack. Why? You don't want me to talk about it on your channel.
Everyone knows that secret already. None of these are? What are you getting?
I'm gonna get, well, I guess we can get two poutines. Do you want to get pop or
I don't want to.
Pop?
No.
Okay, we'll just get water then. I guess we'll look at water. Probably shouldn't be drinking. Well, we were talking about how Costco water was 25 cents. Kind of they upped the price for it.
Okay. Oh, 35 cents. I see. Costco water was 25 cents, now it is 35 cents. Please use exact change.
Better not get stuck. More, I say.
Why would you put 2 water in there? Oh my god, they're stuck. Here, can you get one of them?
This is real life.
Can you get one? Here. Work one out.
Can
you get it? Okay, get the other one.
It's stuck.
No, get it. Here. There, get it. That was a journey. I injured my hand getting that water out of this machine at Costco.
Do you want to add anything on?
You can add ketchup if you want. Gimbal.
No, don't. It's cold.